This is my review of the SuperBeets Heart Capsules by Humann. This is the new packaging here. I'm a repeat buyer of these. I've been taking them for a long time, just part of my daily supplement regimen, and these things are really great. The new packaging is really cool. It's just modernized it. The other one was just a smaller white bottle. This made it look really nice here, but you can see on here, it just shows you everything. This is the 180 capsule bottle. They do have a smaller version, but like I said, I take these daily, so I just buy the 180 capsule one. I initially found this brand. I was trying the powdered beet supplement by Humann, and you have to put it in water and drink it. This is just much easier to take. I'll show you what it looks like in here. This is a brand new bottle, just got it, and we'll just open it up right here. See, it's got the packaging on here. So it's just got the protection packaging here. Just open it up, and then this is what the capsules look like. This is going to be 3 is the serving size here. You could just see. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. You can see this is, they're very, very small capsules, very easy to swallow. These are easy to take with like vitamins and things like that. Basically, I just take all 3 at one time. Usually take these in the morning, and you can see here the ingredient list is very low. It doesn't have any like crazy ingredients in there or anything like that. So basically there's 3 capsules, so you get 60 servings, so you're gonna get a 2-month supply here. But like I said, I'm a repeat buyer of these, very happy with it. It's a really great company, really great product.